Okay, sorry about that. So D, we want to find the percent. Now I know that I have the percent of 30 is 15. So that shows that 30 is my whole number and 15 is part of 30. Okay, now we have a fraction. So how do you go from a fraction to a decimal and a percent? Well, some of you might already see that 15 is half of 30. So if you did 15 divided by 30, you would get 0.5 as a decimal. And I hope by now everybody knows that that's half. Or if I added a 0 here, that's 50 hundredths, which is the same as 50 over 100. So when you're talking percents, decimals, fractions, if you can make all these little connections, it makes it much easier. So 15 is 50% of 30. Okay, so basically you want to set up your fraction of the numbers you're given. Okay, I'm going to try to find the percent of 35. Well, 35 is my whole number. It's my denominator. And 14 is the part of 35. I want to find what percent that is. So if you do 14 divided by 35 on the calculator, you're going to get this. Okay, hopefully you know that that's 4/10 as a decimal, 4 over 10. Or if I add this 0, now it's 40 hundredths or 40 over 100. Where's my 4? Okay, so that's the same as 40%. Okay, same with here. What percent of 95? So 95 is my whole number. 35 is part of that. Okay, divide 38, sorry. 38 divided by 95, and you're going to get this on your calculator. Okay, it's the same as this one up here. If I add a 0, that's 40 hundredths, which is the same as 40%, 40 over 100. Okay, number 6, that is 5th grade thinking. If you get this, you are doing great. If not, do not worry about it. This will not be on the test unless it's a bonus question. So don't worry about it, but if you're getting it, awesome, good job.